Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, we all know that the wedding day is a joyous day for at least two families. It's a joyous day for the groom's family and it's a joyous day for the bride's family. But it is especially a joyous day for the bride. But there is joy though, and there is this. Watch this. So there you saw in that clip a bride on her wedding day having this what can only be described as a manic dance. So this crazy dancing style of this bride, it doesn't really portend well, and it's not really a good image to convey on our wedding day, I don't think, because the groom will be there wondering what he's getting himself into, and more importantly, his family will be there wondering what their son is getting himself and them into. Because you see, in Nigeria, it's a very conservative society. They still like to imagine that a wife is married into a family, and when you tell her sit down there, she sits down there. I mean, not literally sit down there, but she would comply with the ways of the family that she's marrying into. So now with this girl doing this very manic, very crazy dance, it doesn't really send the right signals to the groom's family, I don't think, because you start to wonder, this level of gyration, is this something that you can handle? And more importantly, is this something that your son can handle? Because you'd expect that a bride on her wedding day will be a bit demure, act a bit shy. Even if she's not shy, even if she's as wild can be, on that day, in front of the gatherings of her family and more importantly her in-laws, she wants to behave like somebody that is well-mannered and somebody that is quiet and reserved. That is really the expectation. But this level of gyration, watch it again. So that level of gyration really is not something that really sends the sort of signal that you once sent on your wedding day, I don't think. So that's really the topic of conversation for this video. So how did you behave on your wedding day, or how will you behave on the day that you get married? And what do you think of this bride's performance? Conversation in the comment section as usual. But before you come join me in the comment section to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. The bell button, click on that as well so you are notified every time I drop a video. Then come join me in the comment section. Let's see what we are making of this ladies dance. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.